Ever feel like your money is stagnant? Stuck in a savings account earning a measly interest rate? Maybe you've dabbled in stocks, but the whole thing feels intimidating. Let's face it, traditional investing can feel like a maze designed by Wall Street wizards. What if there was a way to grow your money without needing a finance degree? Enter Betterment, a robo-advisor platform that makes investing accessible for everyone. But with all the options out there, how do you actually get started with Betterment? Don't worry, we'll break it down step by step in this video. Before we dive in, let's address the elephant in the room. Is Betterment right for you? If you're looking for a hands-off approach to investing and have a long-term horizon, then Betterment could be a great fit. They manage your portfolio automatically based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. However, if you crave active control over your investments or have a short-term investment time frame, then Betterment might not be the best option. Alright, convinced Betterment is worth exploring? Let's get you set up. Step 1. Sign up and initial investment. Head over to Betterment's website and click Get Started. They'll greet you with a series of questions to understand your financial situation and goals. Be honest here. This info helps Betterment craft the perfect investment strategy for you. Here's what they'll ask. What's your goal? Are you saving for retirement, a dream vacation, or a down payment on a house? How much can you invest? Betterment has a low minimum investment amount, making it accessible to almost anyone. What's your risk tolerance? This basically means how comfortable you are with your investments going up and down. Betterment offers portfolios with varying risk levels. Once you answer these questions, Betterment will recommend an asset allocation, a fancy way of saying the mix of stocks and bonds in your portfolio. The more risk tolerant you are, the higher the stock allocation. Stocks have the potential for higher returns, but also greater volatility, while bonds are generally considered safer but offer lower returns. Step 2. Funding your account. Now comes the fun part, adding money to your Betterment account. They offer various options like linking your bank account or initiating an electronic transfer. Once the funds are there, Betterment will automatically invest them according to your chosen strategy. Step 3. Sit back and relax, mostly. The beauty of Betterment is its automation. They handle the day-to-day investment decisions, rebalancing your portfolio as needed to maintain your target asset allocation. You can, of course, monitor your progress through their user-friendly app or website. Betterment also provides educational resources to help you stay informed about investing. Bonus tip: automate your contributions. Set up automatic deposits to your Betterment account. This is a fantastic way to build wealth consistently without having to think about it. Even small amounts regularly invested can add up significantly over time thanks to the power of compound interest. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. Stick to your long-term plan and let Betterment do the heavy lifting. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.